In this tutorial, we'll be guiding you on the steps you need to follow if you'd like to apply for DBS online in the UK. So open up your web browser and you can simply search for DBS Apply. Once you do that, you have the gov.uk option. Make sure to follow this one, as you can see www.gov.uk, and of course request a basic DBS check. Click on it and right here you see some details. Request a basic DBS check. First things first, this is the amount you need to get ready with in order to request or apply for your DBS check online, £21.50. Of course, you have some other details as well. What you'll need is also specified clearly, such as your passport, your driving license, and your national insurance number. It also mentions that you'll be able to create a gov.uk One login if you don't already have one. This is also crucial as well. You'll need to provide addresses for the last 5 years. Of course, once you're done reading through all of these, you can simply click on Start Now. And of course, once you click on Start Now, the process begins. Following the steps are easy once you have your documentation. It's all about answering the questions which apply to you and are factual. Going through all these steps will help you to apply for your DBS online in the UK.